Hello techies, welcome to linuxhelp.com. A whole new version of Darktable 2.4.0 released at the end of December 2017 with lot more features and lot of changes with more bug fixes. So for beginners, let me give a short intro about what is Darktable. So Darktable is an open source photography workflow application under raw developer. So actually it's an virtual lightable and dark room for photographers. It manages your digital negatives in a database, lets you view them through a digital lightable and enables you to develop raw images and enhance them. So let me start with the installation procedure of Darktable 2.4.0 on the Linux machine with Ubuntu 17.04 version. Let's start with an apt get update. So it's done now. And now the next step will be adding the repository. So let's add the repository for the Darktable. Just press enter. And then our repository will be added now. Then we have to do another apt get update. So now the update has been done. Now the final step is to install a Darktable. So this command will perform that operation. Now the Darktable application has been installing. That's it, the installation procedure is done now. So we can open a Darktable application. So here it shows Darktable photo workflow software. Open it. And this is the Darktable photo workflow software. So we will see the workflow on the few editing process using the Darktable in the upcoming video shortly. So until then, bye bye from linuxhelp.com. If you like our channel, please don't forget to subscribe. For more videos, please do visit www.linuxhelp.com and also mail us to support@linuxhelp.com for further queries.